Leobog K81, another board that has similar traits with the Hi75 that was reviewed recently, just that it is slightly more expensive, starting at $119. Let's have a quick rundown. As mentioned, same layout as Hi75, 75%, 81 keys. 4 colorways at the moment, including Pink Bunny, Mint Salt, Morse Code, and Star Trek, which is the one I'm having. Connectivity wise, it's tri-mode with an additional cutout for you to hide the dongle. Really appreciate that. Rotary knob to adjust the media, same like the Hi75. It features the office mode and game mode simply by long pressing it. In case you didn't know, office mode allows you to adjust the media and game mode to adjust the RGB. The entire casing is made of acrylic, keycaps are double shot PBT, while some models are pudding shine through I believe. Anyways, the keycaps are vibrant, adding some characters to it. Steps are plate mounted, pre-looped and pre-cut. I wouldn't say they are great, they are just alright. Slight rattling at the spacebar for my unit. By default is the ice crystal linear switch which bottoms out at 48 grams, transparent and does have a nice looking top housing. Opening the board is same as Hi75 again. You basically start off by the knob, then remove the inner screws. Not going to open the board this time as it is very similar to the Hi75, and I'm lazy, let's be honest. Anyway, gasket mount with the Porong gasket installed on the plate. Speaking of the plate, what I have here is the PC plate, no flex cuts. The hot swap PCB has no flex cuts as well, but at least it has perky RGB. Without further ado, let's take a listen of what it sounds like. Soft typing experience is definitely not something to look out for in this board. Acoustic wise, it's actually decent for an acrylic board. If compared to the i75 by Monstric that I reviewed a few months ago, this one definitely sounds way better to me. But anyways, I think the reason for it to be more expensive than the Hi75, despite being an acrylic board, is the extra tri-mode with an additional battery involved. To me, connecting the keyboard wirelessly is a must-have, and I'm willing to pay the extra if I am out of options. Don't get me wrong, Hi75 is still solid, just that it serves a slightly different target audience that cares more on the clean looks and acoustics. That's just my take on Leobog keyboards and pretty much marks the end. Any questions, feel free to leave it below and we'll meet on the next one. See you!